We've been working on weather hazards, and our weather hazard is flood. No, wait. Okay.
Floods are very powerful and dangerous. They can take a car away as little as 2 feet of water.
These are 3 reasons that floods are dangerous. Number 1, you can die. Number 2, you can get electrocuted. Number 3, floods can damage your house.
We're having trouble.
Words to know. Mud flows. Mud that flows. Rain. Water that falls in drops. Snow. Soft white flakes that forms from frozen water. Water. It falls as rain into lakes, rivers, oceans. Precipitation. Water, snow, hail, and sleet.
We have an idea.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's in my group?
Trinae.
Abby.
Our solution. We have a boat that sucks up water. These are the holes right there. And this is the motor. These are the tanks of water that we put in a hole right here to get filled up with water. Then next we put it in a truck. After the truck gets the water, it brings it to a place that has no water, like a drought.
Thank you for listening to our project.